Okay, so we know that a solution is a special type of mixture, a homogeneous mixture, that is two or more substances that combine to form something that looks like it's just one substance. Let's get a little bit more specific here. A solution is a solute dissolved in a solvent. So in this example down here, the Kool-Aid is the solute. When we add it to water, which is our solvent, we form a solution. Solute plus solvent equals solution. In the solution, the particles of the solute are evenly mixed or evenly distributed throughout the solvent, and they don't settle out. So here we see the particles of the Kool-Aid, the particles of the solute, are evenly distributed throughout the water particles. They're not settling out, and they have a uniform or consistent appearance. This is a solution.